In this video, Bitcoin went down to our target price exactly, but take a look at this, guys. Bitcoin is right to forming a massive bearish signal in the weekly stochastic RSI. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell down below so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So 'di ba sa previous analysis natin, we were monitoring this symmetric triangle, and 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo, I am not 100% sure here with the triangle kasi as you can see, this does not look like a clear triangle. Usually what you would want to see in a clear symmetric triangle is talagang perfect yung itsura ng triangle. Just like what we saw sa previous movement ni Bitcoin here, we saw a perfect symmetric triangle. That's why we saw a very good move. But as you can see, dito sa current move ni Bitcoin, we are not seeing any clear, or it's not actually a perfect triangle now what we would want to see. But diba sabi ko sa inyo, there are two things how we can play this one out. Number one is the bullish scenario. If nagkaroon ng candle close dito with buy volume, then we're going to open a long position until the 122,000. That's the first scenario. Now, the second scenario is if magkaroon tayo ng breakdown dito with sell volume, then yun yung mag-open tayo ng panibagong short position dito. Ang nangyari instead is we saw somewhat ng breakdown but we did not see a sell volume, so that was not a confirmed move. Bumalik tayo sa loob ng triangle, nagkaroon na resistance, it did not see any breakout, so there was no bullish movement, but rather as you can see, nagkaroon tayo ng candle close dito with somewhat of a sell volume. So ayun, may significant sell volume din naman siya. No, hindi siya kasing, though halos magkapares din siya dito, but yeah, may significant double sell volume tayo dito. Ayun, no, dire-diretso siya dito. So, anong nangyari is, nakita natin bumagsak si Bitcoin. Ang naging target natin dito initially was the 15,000, but yeah, I think masyadong mababa yung target natin na support na 15,000. Instead, it should have been around the 16,000 US dollars kasi dun siya nagkaroon ng exact price point kung saan siya nag-bounce dito kay Bitcoin. Now, what's next for the Bitcoin price action? Well, zooming out dito, let's try to zoom out dito sa chart na to. There are actually no indication dito kay Bitcoin when it comes to a short-term movement dito. But if you're going to look at this in the daily, it seems like we might see a continuous movement na packet dito ni Bitcoin. We might see Bitcoin continue to the upside for the next few days, considering na, ayun nga, pwede siya mag-form ng panibagong divergences dito. So, ang next thing na gusto kong makita dito actually is mag-continue yung price increase niya at the same time, the RSI would continue its decline. Kasi if that happens, then it would indicate na yung next signal na nag-form dito kay Bitcoin is this stochastic RSI could potentially confirm a massive bear market. Now, take note, hindi pa to confirm. The only time na we can confirm this is if magkaroon na ng cross sa stochastic RSI. Kasi usually, whenever na we see a stochastic RSI cross, we usually see a downtrend movement dito. But if it's in the weekly time frame, it is usually, it's mas ramdam siya talaga. As you can see, yung sa previous time na nagkaroon ng bearish cross dito sa stochastic RSI, we saw a massive downtrend dito. Same goes dun sa latest pagbagsak ni Bitcoin for the past few weeks. Nagkaroon tayo ng bearish cross dito, so we saw a Bitcoin decline. That's roughly around ilang percent siya. Let's try to check ilang percent. That's roughly 12% na decline dito. So right now, if mag-confirm itong bearish cross sa stochastic RSI in the weekly time frame, then that could indicate that Bitcoin might go back here sa 50-week moving average, which is a significant support area. So the moment na magkaroon tayo ng bearish cross dito, then I would open a short position dito kay Bitcoin. Kasi if let's say, anong nangyari, patuloy pa rin yung pag-increase niya dito, and you can actually see nga dito na RSI, stochastic RSI is also declining na dito. If let's say magkaroon siya ng bearish close, then that is also a bearish divergence. So we would see multiple bearish divergences both in the RSI and stochastic RSI, as well as dun sa monthly or weekly time frame natin na malaking divergence dito. So right now, there are a lot of signs indicating that we might see a bearish movement for the midterm, but for the short term, we might see a somewhat of a short trend na bullish move wherein you might see Bitcoin go back to the all-time high. And I'm not going to close down na pwedeng bumalik pa siya sa all-time high at mag-break siya. Kasi, if bumalik siya doon, ang pwedeng mangyari doon is i-continue niya yung pag-form na malaking bearish divergence. So, just like what I showed you guys kanina, pwede kasi siya bumalik doon at magkaroon ng all-time high. At the same time, yung RSI niya would start to decline and would indicate a much bigger bearish move in the next few weeks. So, right now, that is what I'm going to monitor. We are going to monitor if this goes back to an all-time high. At the same time, once bumalik sa all-time high, we have to watch out for the stochastic RSI if it's going to show somewhat of a confirmed bearish movement. So take note guys, if you want to take advantage of these next trade, make sure to use Bybit kasi kay Bybit mas mura yung Bitcoin trading fees as compared to other platforms like Binance. And if wala pa account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.